Hello, my name is Frank Cirillo. I am a student in Stockton's Masters of Art in Instructional Technology program, and I'm here today to show you one of our tools that we use in our class. Today I want to show you Google Notebook LM. Google Notebook LM is an AI website where you can use sources to make notes or even podcasts. As you see, I have a few examples here, such as androgyny versus pedagogy. And I put in this source right here, and as soon as I put it in, it created this notebook basically giving an overview or a summary of the source I put in. I can also get a video overview, audio overview, mind map, and I can even ask it follow-up questions like how effective does androgyny address adult learners' needs compared to pedagogy, which is student learner needs or children's needs, and then it follows up by giving me more information from the sources I provided to it. It can also give me video overviews, reports, make quizzes and flashcards, and you can even get it to make a podcast. So let's go back. Say I want to create a new notebook. I could upload a source. Right here I have a video going over classical versus operant conditioning. I am going to put a YouTube video. I already copied its link, put it right here. Take the video, and then it gets a summary of it. And if I click audio overview, I can generate a podcast about it. So here I've generated a podcast of Pavlov versus Skinner. Let's take a quick listen to it.
Okay, let's unpack this. If you've ever wondered why you dread the sound of your alarm clock, or maybe why you check your phone constantly, you've been living deep in the world of conditioning. We're doing a deep dive today into two really foundational pillars of how we learn: classical and operant conditioning.
So as you can see, I made that podcast with just that one source. You can, of course, include more than a single source. You can include multiple different sources. And you can even make it interactive, so that you could have people join it, say whether or not it's a good discussion or a bad discussion. You can also give it a rating, such as if it's irrelevant, made up, failed to answer your questions, or if it didn't work with what you were looking for. You can also make flashcards, so let's generate some flashcards real quick. So it automatically made me these flashcards based on the sources that I gave it. You can see this is very useful when you're studying. Let's take a look at the mind map. So here's the mind map it made for me, talking about classical versus operant conditioning. Gives me the definition of learning, which is long-lasting change in behavior and a result of an experience. You see when I click on these, it gives me expansions on those specific categories. And I can even make myself a quiz based on the resource. Even provides hints. It'll also tell you why an answer is or is not correct. So this is a very good resource for when it comes to studying or looking for summaries of a source. Maybe you don't want to read through 500 pages and you want a quick summary of something, or you want to get quick flashcards, or you want to make a podcast about something. This site is one of my favorite tools I've used so far in the program. Now, it is a free website, but you will need to upgrade to Plus for some features. Here's some of the features that you will get for upgrading to Plus and Premium. Thank you for coming with me today to go over Google Notebook LM. I hope that you find this tool very useful. Have a good day.